So this is a two-part video. In the first part, we'll see mainly what is conscious and what is subconscious mind. And then in the next part, we will see how they bring out the results for you, right? So myself, Dr. Hemant Patil, I'm an internationally certified abundance mindset coach, and I'm on my mission to help 1 million people to achieve abundance mindset and live their dream life. As you can see in this image, we have something known as conscious, then preconscious, and then a subconscious mind, right? So we'll mainly talk on conscious and subconscious. The scope of this video, we will limit to conscious and subconscious mind. So our conscious mind has the ability to either accept or reject things. But while our subconscious mind has only ability to accept the things, it generally doesn't have an ability to reject the things. So whenever we have a situation or a negative events or something, conscious mind generally takes those things inside. Sometimes it may accept, sometimes it may reject also. But whatever it sends out inside, subconscious mind is on an emotional level. And that's why it generally accepts as it is. Conscious mind and subconscious mind. What's the major difference? In terms of features, the conscious mind has a memory, which is generally a short term. Then it has a willpower. It thinking in terms of either a critical thinking or in terms of logical thinking, right? While the subconscious mind, it is emotional. It has beliefs. It has values. It has a protective mechanism. As we have seen in the previous sabotage video, that our subconscious mind has some protective mechanisms, right? So it acts as a sabotage to us. Anyways, sometimes it may be beneficial, sometimes it may be harmful. So we need to identify and get above that, right? It has long-term memories. It has emotions. It has intuitions. Also, subconscious mind thinks in terms of imagination and pictures, right? And that's why if you have heard about subconscious mind training, you must have heard that subconscious mind is like a 4-year-old kid which generally absorb the things whatever they are. And that's why people ask and make vision boards, make pictures, make emotions and relate to that so that they can train their subconscious mind to get more results, right? And that's the reason we need to train our subconscious mind properly so that we can get the proper results. As if you see the athletes, what they do before every performance, imaginary, they imagine all those performance, what they are going to do. And that's the reason we need to train our subconscious mind properly to get the results what we want. So in the part 2 video, we will see more about how we can train our subconscious mind and how our surroundings mainly affect our subconscious mind. And that's how they bring out the results. So see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.